SESVANDERHAVE is a global market leader in sugar beet seed. For a long time, agrarians of Ukraine and all over the world choose the seed of our company to grow the sugar beet. We are trusted on the strength of SESVANDERHAVE as the best genetics, innovative solutions, and high-performance hybrids. Currently, SESVANDERHAVE is a single company in the world aiming to sugar beet production activity. This allows to join the resources and advanced technologies to guarantee leadership among the breeding companies. SESVANDERHAVE provides its activity in different beet growing countries of the world. Ukraine is one of the most priority markets for sugar beet seed among them. For many years, more than half of Ukrainian farmers choose SESVANDERHAVE seed as the best, so the company made a decision to construct a modern seed complex in the country. The factory was built in Kiev region, and presently it successfully works and even expands its capacity. For many years, SESVANDERHAVE successfully grows sugar beet seed in Ukraine. We get all parent material for the seed from Belgium. To make the best sugar beet seed, you have to go a long way. It all starts with patient work of breeders and scientists of SESVANDERHAVE. Various geographical, soil, climatic features as well as diseases significantly affect the hybrids. Now we can simulate such different factors in a few minutes and offer special solutions thanks to the assets of the SESVANDERHAVE Innovation Center in Belgium. Generating a new variety, hybrid, usually takes up to 10 years, but our innovative technologies allow you to create more breeding material and to get new hybrids 2 times faster. Actual production of SESVANDERHAVE sugar beet seed starts in the field. Hybrid seeds in Ukraine are grown from the same basic material as in European Union. Seed farms are located on irrigated lands in 4 districts of Odessa region, in Kilia, Reni, Tatarpunari, and Ismail. This is the southwestern part of the area and considered to be the most favorable climate-smart territory in winter season for crops cultivated in a direct way. It is worth noting the crop production farms in Ukraine are geographically on the same latitude as the farms on the south of France and northern Italy, where the sugar beet seed are produced in Europe. Placement of SESVANDERHAVE seed fields meets necessary requirements of a spatial isolation, so eliminating the occasion of intercross and guarantees purity of the hybrids. At the same time, the requirements for spatial isolation in Ukraine are much more stringent than in European Union. Moreover, unlike the Mediterranean region, there is no wild beet species in the seed zone of Ukraine. That also guarantees genetic purity of the sowing material. No strange beet seed crops contribute to the lower spread of plant diseases, and therefore the decrease of a seed infection. Thanks to large areas of hybrid seed crops, it is much easier to observe technological compliance in plant growing in Ukraine. In EU, some hybrid crops are located on the area of 5 to 10 hectares, and it is much harder to exercise technological supervision over production. A local climate is a significant advantage in growing seed in Ukraine. First of all, climatic parameters in the southern steppe of Ukraine allow to harvest the seeds without any additional artificial drying. Under these conditions, the seed comes from the field with a humidity of 10 to 11%. In addition, there is more intense insolation in the south of Ukraine than in seed production area in European Union. This ensures a high quality of the seed grown in Ukraine. So it proves a high quality of the seed sown and harvested in Ukraine that corresponds to SESVANDERHAVE standards and even exceeds separate indices. What is more, many years' experience shows that manufacturing sugar beet grown from Ukrainian seed is better adapted to agroclimatic conditions in different regions of Ukraine and provides more stable high yield. Next production and processing stage of the sugar beet seed takes place in the seed factory of SESVANDERHAVE located in Kiev region, village Gogoliv. The seed factory is equipped with the high-tech equipment and supplies. It is one of the 4 factories meeting demands of the company worldwide. There is no alternative to SESVANDERHAVE seed factory in Ukraine for today. The seed delivered to the seed factory is the material preliminary cleansed out of large and small admixtures. Further on, the seeds go to the main west trap cleaning line and gravity seed cleaner. The line consists of the air screening, belt type, and gravity separators. Transportation of seed along the line is carried by the bucket conveyor, preventing the seed injury. Admixture and small seeds are separated on final cleaning and seed calibration lines. Seeds with immature embryo or without it are removed on gravity tables. Now, this is a single possible way to achieve a high germination seed. Therefore, the separator is used in case the conventional cleaning methods by air, screening, and trier are not effective. After cleaning, the seeds are sent to polishing. As a result, parenchyma is partially removed from the fetal tissue, being a physical barrier to germination and prevents oxygen access, providing development of microorganisms. While polishing, abrasive operating elements partially eliminate pericarp, change the surface condition and aerodynamic properties of the seed, improve its free-running properties. The shape of the seed becomes close to spherical. Screening is made in 2 steps to minimize the seed damage. Pelleting of the seed comes next. The sugar beet seed is covered by a special spherical shell during the process of pelleting that unifies the seed in its size and form and makes it suitable for sowing. As a result, the weight of each seed is increased by 2.5–3 times. Pelleting is an extremely important seed treatment process. First of all, it ensures the uniform distribution of seeds in a row and creates ideal conditions for germination. Special glue and powder used for pelleting mixture protect the seeds reliably from any slightest damage when passing through the machinery of the seed drill. SESVANDERHAVE aims to support the natural environment of the seed and soil that contains water, oxygen, and nutrients vital for the plant growth. A special pelleting powder, water dispersion of the aluminum complex, binders, and other components bearing absorbing properties create a unique substance. Owing to these innovations, SESVANDERHAVE Draghi works like a living cell membrane. It regulates the flow of water, oxygen, and nutrients from the soil to the seed in the most necessary quantities. Due to pelleting method, it became possible the rational use of the active protection ingredients of the seed by dosing them at a certain place around the seed. It allows to reduce significantly the pesticide quantity on the beet fields. After that, the seeds are calibrated. During the process of calibration, the seeds are divided into 3 groups in size by screening. Necessary for sowing seed size is about 80–90% of the total goes to coding, then to the packaging line. During the calibration procedure, pelleted seeds of 3.5 to 4.5 millimeters are allowed to further processing. The process of coating, meaning applying of a specially prepared mixture of components including insecticides, fungicides, primers, and others onto the surface of pelleted and calibrated seed, is made after calibration procedure. The process of coating is made simultaneously with the coloring of sugar beet seed. Finally, SESVANDERHAVE sugar beet seeds are ready to sow. The packaging line Senzani is installed at the factory for packaging sugar beet seed into cardboard boxes with SESVANDERHAVE logo and the name of the hybrid, as well as other necessary information. Each box contains 100,000 seed, blue Draghi. One of the most important terms for the seed production is round-the-clock control in every level, starting from the seed parent from Belgium up to the final production stage. For this purpose, a modern laboratory was created at the seed factory. Experts of the lab provide control over such indicators as vigor, germination, monogermity, uniformity, sound quality, purity, humidity, quality of chemical treatment, and others. SESVANDERHAVE Seed Control Laboratory is fitted with modern equipment, and the measurement system meets modern requirements. This laboratory operates in accordance with international standards of seed control, ISTA, and current Ukrainian standards. Every lot of a commercial product is checked by the specialized laboratory in Tienen, Belgium, as well as by the State Center for Certification and Examination of Agricultural Products, Ukraine. It should be noted that every production process is verified by experts from Belgium with the aid of modern technologies online and around the clock. Thanks to the high quality of SESVANDERHAVE sugar beet seed produced in Ukraine. This year, at the meeting of member states of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development in Paris, we were granted permission to participate fully in international trade of sugar beet and fodder beet seed. SESVANDERHAVE is the main initiator of Ukraine's participation in the OECD quality schemes, namely the sugar and fodder beet seed specified for international trade. SESVANDERHAVE has achieved the best results in the field of production of sugar beet seed. In this way, we were able to combine the European quality controlled at all stages of production by the experts from Belgium in the 24/7 mode. If the question arises, why should we trust SESVANDERHAVE when we choose sugar beet seed? We have a straight answer. As soon as we concentrate 100% of our attention on the sugar beet industry, we believe in the future. The company has the highest rate of investment in this industry. We have built and put into operation the Innovation Center. The amount of our investment raises more than 20 million euros. We have over 200 years experience working with sugar beet. The quality of our seeds is recognized in the world and in Ukraine. Working with SESVANDERHAVE sugar beet seed, you may receive the highest profitability. Success, reliability, profit, confidence is the result of cooperation with us. Sugar beet seed, nothing but SESVANDERHAVE.